How to overcome self-doubt. Hey there. Welcome to Inspire and Thrive. Today, we're going to talk about something that affects everyone at some point in their lives, self-doubt. It's that little voice in your head that says, you're not good enough, or, you can't do this. But guess what? You can overcome it. Stick with me for the next couple of minutes, and I'll share actionable steps and mindset shifts to help you conquer self-doubt once and for all. Let's get started. Let's first understand what self-doubt is. First, let's define self-doubt. It's a lack of confidence in yourself and your abilities. It often comes from past experiences, fear of failure, or comparing yourself to others. But here's the thing, self-doubt is normal. Even the most successful people experience it. The difference is they've learned how to manage and overcome it. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Identifying the root cause. To overcome self-doubt, you need to understand where it's coming from. Here's how you can do that. Reflect on your past. Think about the moments when self-doubt crept in. Was it after criticism? A failure? A big decision? Notice negative patterns. Are there certain situations or people that trigger your self-doubt? Write it down. Journaling can help you spot patterns and pinpoint the root cause. Pause the video, grab a notebook, and spend 5 minutes writing about when you last felt self-doubt and why. Reframe your thoughts. Our thoughts shape our reality. If you're constantly telling yourself that you're not good enough, guess what? You'll believe it. Here's how to reframe those thoughts. Challenge your inner critic. Ask yourself, is this thought based on facts or just fear? Replace negative thoughts. Instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I'm learning how to do this. Practice affirmations. Write down positive affirmations like, I am capable, and repeat them daily. I used to doubt my ability to speak in public. But every time I felt nervous, I'd tell myself, I've prepared for this, and I'm ready. Over time, it worked. Take action despite doubt. Self-doubt often paralyzes us. The key to overcoming it is action. Even small steps can build confidence. Here's what you can do. Set small goals. Break big tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate wins. Every time you achieve something, no matter how small, celebrate it. It builds momentum. Focus on progress, not perfection. Perfectionism fuels self-doubt. Aim for progress instead. Pick one thing you've been doubting yourself about and take one small step toward it today. Build a support system. You don't have to face self-doubt alone. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and lift you up. Here's how. Seek mentors. Find someone who inspires you and learn from them. Share your feelings. Talk to trusted friends or family about your doubts. They can offer perspective. Join communities. Whether online or in person, connecting with like-minded individuals can be empowering. Develop a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities can improve with effort and learning. Here's how to develop it. Embrace challenges. See them as opportunities to grow. Learn from failure. Instead of fearing failure, ask, what can I learn from this? Stay curious. Keep learning new skills and gaining knowledge. Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Imagine if he let self-doubt stop him. Self-doubt doesn't have to control your life. By understanding its roots, reframing your thoughts, taking action, and building a support system, you can overcome it. Remember, confidence is a skill, and like any skill, it gets stronger with practice. You are capable, you are enough, and you can achieve amazing things. Thank you for spending this time with me. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Until next time, keep believing in yourself. You've got this.